Jordan 4 Retro Pink Oreo is a beautiful combination of style and performance. It features a premium leather upper in a soft pastel pink shade, giving it a fresh and clean look. The midsole is speckled with an Oreo-inspired pattern, adding a unique contrast to the shoe's overall aesthetic. The classic mesh detailing on the sides and the signature Jumpman branding on the tongue and heel make it instantly recognizable. Plus, the visible air unit in the midsole provides that classic Jordan cushioning, ensuring both style and comfort. Now, let's talk about what makes this sneaker stand out. First, the Air Jordan 4 Retro Pink Oreo is built for durability. The high-quality leather and strong rubber outsole ensure that this shoe will last you a long time, even with regular wear. Second, it's incredibly comfortable. With the air cushioning in the heel, you get excellent impact protection, making it perfect for all-day wear. Whether you're rocking these on the court or just styling them casually, they provide great support and breathability. Lastly, they are easy to clean. The smooth leather finish allows you to wipe off dirt easily, keeping them looking fresh every time you wear them. So, why should you add the Air Jordan 4 Retro Pink Oreo to your collection? First, it's a unique and stylish sneaker that stands out from the crowd. Looking for high-quality replica sneakers at unbeatable prices? Repsneaker.net is your go-to destination. We offer a wide selection of premium replica sneakers, including top brands like Air Jordan, Balenciaga, Dior, and Asics. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, we ensure that every pair meets the highest standards, delivering style and comfort at a fraction of the price. We understand that trust is everything when shopping online. That's why you can find real customer reviews about Repsneaker.net on Trustpilot, one of the most trusted review platforms. Many satisfied customers have shared their experiences, confirming the legitimacy of our website. Don't just take our word for it, check out the reviews and see why sneaker lovers choose us for their replica needs. Now, here's the best part. Use our exclusive discount code Rsnow at checkout to get 15% off your purchase. Let's break it down. These sneakers originally cost $149, but after applying the Rsnow discount, the final price drops to just $126.65. That's an amazing deal for top-tier quality sneakers. Repsneaker.net, we take customer service seriously. Our dedicated support team is available to assist you with any questions, from sizing and shipping details to payment options. Whether you need guidance on selecting the perfect pair or tracking your order, our responsive and friendly support team is here to help, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free shopping experience. Alright, sneaker lovers, that wraps up today's unboxing and review of the Air Jordan 4 Retro Pink Oreo. This pair is definitely a statement piece that combines comfort, durability, and style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Rsnow Unbox for more sneaker content.